What if freedom on two wheels didn't look like a motorcycle at all? What if safety didn't mean sacrificing style? And what if one vehicle could transform into anything you need it to be? Meet the BMW Motorrad Vision CE. Cities are getting denser. Space is becoming a luxury, but individuality that creates space. And at the heart of it all comes a new idea, the Vision CE. Not a scooter, not a car, not even just a bike. It's something entirely new, built to redefine what urban freedom means. Instead of forcing you to change for the ride, gear, helmets, layers, the Vision CE adapts to you. Business suit, streetwear, party outfit, doesn't matter. Just hop on and go. Its protective cage is inspired by beach buggies, robust yet open. It shields you while letting you breathe. No heavy armor required. Combine that with self-balancing tech, and you've got a machine that literally stands on its own.